Okay, ladies, this is my new tote, the Dreamy Veggie City tote from Coach Outlet. By this time, you should already have seen the unboxing of this beautiful bag. And yeah, I'm finna to show you what's in my bag. So yeah, if you want to see this, stay tuned and let's get to it. Let's see. This is what's inside. First, let me take out my wallet. This is my wallet. It's beige. Whatever. This a beige wallet to go. It don't match, but this the closest I can get. And here's the wallet I got to match it. It's the wristlet. And all I have in here is lip gloss and some eyeshadow. Show you which one is eyeshadow. It's really pretty. See it? Yeah, it's pretty. A neutral color, so yeah. I really be using it for the mirror. Yeah, that's it. And some lip glosses. Got this from Dollar Tree. Some more lip. Well, there's some lip balm. That was from Dollar Tree as well. And my favorite lip gloss is the Butter Gloss by NYX. Yeah. I got that from Target. And that's all I have in here. Here comes this little two card holders right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah. That's that. I got my AirPods, some hand sanitizer, it's halfway gone, my phone. I feel like they couldn't, it's all broke up, but yeah. And I have a wallet, another little wallet. I haven't even put anything in it yet, but it's just in there. I had to get this little organizer. I got this organizer from Amazon, so my purse could stand up. Yeah, but stand to it now. But yeah, it needs it. Yeah. And right here in this little pocket, I got some nail glue, because I be wearing press-on sometimes. And got coupons. Give me a fork. Just in case. I'll be eating on the go. Some more receipts. I got some hand lotion. It's in sugar cookie. It smells so good. And the body spray to go with it. A comb. This is my eyeliner. A little change in there. I have on my phone purse. And in here, I just have my makeup brushes, some eyebrow pencils, eyeliner, some more lip gloss, some lip chap, some mascara, my lash glue, my tweezers. And yeah, that's about it. Let me put this in here. Like that. And And I have 2 perfumes. This is the Jimmy Choo I Want You, and this is the Jimmy Choo Fever. This came with one of my gift sets, and this just was the sample. Let me use them. But yeah, that's that. That's all I have in this little organizer. And ooh, child. Got a loose dollar in this little pocket in here on the inside. And my card holder. Change. My Victoria's Secret lip gloss. This is my favorite at the moment. Kleenexes. My coin purse. It's by Coach. I know it don't go with that bag. I'm looking for a bag to go with it. But yeah, for now, it's holding all my change, my coins. Yep. I have a mask. I think I have 2 masks in here. Put them over there. I'm gonna wash these. I have some more hand sanitizer. Some glue. I have some super glue for my nail charms. Some wet ones. And some more glue. I just bought these. That's why they in my purse the other day, so this one's gonna be useful. The rest of this, I have some more nail glue. All this receipts out of here. More receipts. And change. That's it. That's all I have in this bag. As you can see, I have a lot of stuff in here. This is the inside. Yeah. It's pretty deep. But that's it. That's all I have in this bag. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like. Thanks for watching. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel.